my name is Brielle, and this is my sister, Audrey. And we're gonna unbox Galinda stuff in this giant box. Yeah! And there's other stuff in it. Right, team? Ooh, it's so big. Look at all this stuff. Okay. Oh, yeah. This. Ooh, there's a Galinda. We got this Galinda. That's mine. Ooh, and Galinda has a dresser. Yep. Like that dressed up. And yeah. Ooh. And we have this kind of like. Ooh, I'm gonna open this. Oh, can we open it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And we got this. Oh, I think this is a calendar. This is a calendar, but we're not gonna open it yet because it's not Christmas.
Yeah, that's your advent calendar.
Yeah, I know. I just said.
Show Audrey, show your advent calendar. What did you get? What's yours? Ooh.
Okay, I'm gonna put that. Can you put it after? No, that's baggy. That's for Chris. Wait. Yeah, that's for Christmas. Yep. I guess. Wait, let's see. Yep, it's for Christmas. Yeah. Okay, this is her advent calendar. Ours? No. This. Ooh. That's mine.
That's for Christmas.
For Christmas. This is for Christmas. Yeah. It's like a pet. You're a vet and there's pets. It's a bracelet. What's that? Oh. What? Everything's rolling around. And that's it.
Okay, then say your goodbyes.
Bye.